In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find competitor keywords using Semrush, an essential tool for conducting competitor keyword research. This process will not only help you understand what keywords are driving traffic to your competitors' websites, but also discover new keyword opportunities for your own business. Let's start by navigating to the Semrush website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Semrush to find their homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice a login option in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on Login. If you already have an account, just enter your login credentials. If not, you might need to create one to access all the robust features of Semrush. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Semrush dashboard. From here, move over to the Home menu to begin our exploration. Now, pay attention to the menu items on the left-hand side, specifically the one labeled SEO Quad. This tool is packed with features aimed at optimizing your web presence and unraveling the strategies of your competitors. Click on SEO to dive deeper. Next, within the SEO drop-down, you'll want to select Organic Research. This is where the magic happens, as it gives you insights into the organically ranking keywords of any domain you're analyzing, including your competitors. Imagine the competitive edge you can gain by knowing what keywords are performing well for them. So, after opening Organic Research, we'll direct our focus towards the Overview section. The Overview page is a treasure trove of data. It provides a comprehensive snapshot of how a competitor's domain is performing. Here, you can see the list of organic keywords, their positions, and even traffic estimations. To get started, simply enter the competitor's domain you wish to analyze in the search bar. After hitting Search, Semrush will quickly gather and display a wealth of information. It might be a lot to take in at first, but don't worry. Spending some time here can reveal invaluable insights. As you delve through the keyword data, look for patterns or recurring themes. Keywords that consistently rank well can highlight successful content strategies that you might want to incorporate into your own plan. Furthermore, keep an eye out for keywords with high search volume but moderate competition. They can offer great opportunities for you to tap into new audiences. Remember, the goal here is not just to copy what your competitors are doing, but to understand what works for them and how you can leverage that information to enhance your own strategies. This research will guide you in optimizing your site for better SEO performance, ultimately driving more traffic and achieving greater visibility for your brand. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to identifying competitor keywords using Semrush. Thank you for joining this tutorial, and I hope you find these tips helpful in sharpening your keyword research skills.